Do you ever wonder if you're leaving money on the table when you use FavePay? Specifically, what happens if your FavePay payment value exceeds the cashback offered by an eCard partner? It's a question that can leave you scratching your head, especially when you're trying to maximize those sweet savings. We've all been there. You see an incredible cashback offer, you're ready to pay with FavePay, and then the total bill is just a little bit more than what the eCard promises to give back. Does that extra amount simply vanish into the ether? Or are you still getting the full benefit of that cashback, even if your spend goes beyond the eCard's stated limit? Let's break down this common scenario, because understanding it can really help you optimize your spending and ensure you're getting every last cent of value. First, let's clarify how FavePay and eCard cashback generally work. FavePay is your digital wallet, making payments seamless and often rewarding. eCards, on the other hand, are typically digital vouchers or offers that provide a specific cashback percentage or a fixed cashback amount when you meet certain conditions, like spending a minimum amount. The crucial element here is the limit or cap on that cashback. Imagine you have an eCard that offers 10% cashback, capped at $5. This means if you spend $50, you get $5 back. Simple, right? But what if your FavePay transaction for that delicious meal comes out to $70? This is where the magic, or perhaps the slight disappointment, happens. Here's the straightforward answer. When your FavePay payment value exceeds the maximum cashback offered by an eCard partner, you will only receive the maximum cashback amount specified by the eCard. The additional amount you spend beyond what is needed to hit that maximum cashback threshold does not generate any further cashback. Let's stick with our $70 meal example and the eCard offering 10% cashback capped at $5. To earn the full $5 cashback, you only needed to spend $50. Because you spent $70, which is $20 more than the $50 threshold for maximum cashback, that extra $20 effectively earns you zero additional cashback. Your total cashback received will still be the $5 cap. Think of it like this. The eCard isn't designed to give you an unlimited percentage back on any amount you spend. It's a promotion with defined limits. The partner is offering a specific incentive, and once that incentive's conditions, like a maximum cashback amount, are met, any spending beyond that point is outside the scope of that particular cashback offer. This doesn't mean you should always split your payments or go to extreme lengths to precisely hit a cashback limit. Convenience often plays a big role in using FavePay. However, being aware of these limits can influence your purchasing decisions, especially for larger transactions. If you have multiple eCards, or if you're deciding between different payment methods, knowing how these caps work can help you choose the most financially advantageous option. It's all about informed spending, making sure you're not just tapping and paying, but tapping and understanding the value you're getting back. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.